Hello. How is my pickup wired? What are the outputs of my pickups? What have I got here? These are all questions we've all had at some time. So I take the output of the guitar, connect it to my meter, my nice analog meter, which I like a lot. So there is a 5-position switch on this 2-position guitar, 2 pickup guitar. This pickup has coil cutting options, 4 leads, 4 conductors. This pickup doesn't have any coil cutting options, just has plus and minus coming out of the pickup. This selector switch is the type of selector switch you can do coil cutting on it. So we're going to keep it a 5-position switch. Every position has a sound. But the question, what is it doing in each position? Well, this first position goes to the neck, and this last position is the bridge. So I'm going to click through each position. Here we are on the first position. Let's get a focus on this. Alright, so it looks about a 12K, which is a fairly hot humbucker. We'll go to the next position, and when it goes down to about 3.5, that's a coil cutter. So single coil. Then we're going to go to this position, which is about maybe 6K. And then the other position is both pickups, I believe. Let me start again. So we have full humbucker, coil cutter, might have a parallel wiring. This full humbucker is probably in series. So again, coil cutter, probably a parallel wiring. And then this position, I do believe, is both pickups, which is always a less of a sum than just one pickup. And then we go to the last position, and it's about a 9 or a 10, which is a full humbucker position. Full humbucker reading, excuse me. So the other cool thing you can do is let's go back to the neck pickup and get a nice piece of metal. Let me get my metal, hang on. I like to use a tuning fork. And I tap on the coil and watch what the meter does. See, it goes to the right. If we tap on the other pickup, nothing happens. So that tells us that the neck pickup is on and the polarity goes to the right. Go to the next position, which is what I assume is a coil cutter, and tapping on the neck pickup. Try to hold still here. Okay. Tapping on one of the coils, it goes to the right. Tap on the other coil, it goes to the right. But if I tap on this coil and I tap on the other coil, if it's coil cut, it's still going to hear me tapping on one of the coils, so it's pretty hard to say if it's actually cut or not. But with that low reading, it's usually a coil cutter. Unless it's a series parallel switch, and this is parallel, and then this next position is series. I'm I'm not exactly sure. I'm not going to tear the guitar apart. I'm not going to find out. But, so now, let's see, we go. Still going to the right. It will always go to the right because of the polarity. This position here, if I tap on the bridge pickup, do we see the meter moving? Yes. It's actually moving to the left. And moving to the left. Alright, that's telling me then that full pickup. It goes to the left. We are out of phase. The bridge pickup taps to the left. The humbucker, the neck taps to the right. So they have reverse polarity. So there is a position here where they are out of phase, which is going to give you that thin, chicken picking, hollow sound, which you really can't hear it unless the strings are on. So I was going to say that's how you test for polarity. See it? Can you see it? It's going to the left. The other pickup is moving to the right. That's how you check polarity. And the way to correct that is to take the black lead or the negative lead and swap it out with the hot lead. Reverse the two. Which I'm not sure if I want to do or not. Maybe with a 5-position switch and 2 pickups, maybe the person who's going to own this might want out of phase position. I'm fixing this for someone who is selling it. So I don't know, I gotta make that decision. But in any event, there's some information for you. How to check polarity on your pickups. I hope it's useful. Okay. Okay, goodbye.